Hello, welcome back to my channel. Right, I have two indicators in my mid chart. I have one indicator window 1 and the indicator window 2. Right, so in order for the strategy to work perfectly, we are using the last zoom level or the first zoom level when you pitch out your chart one time like this. But in order to avoid false signal, let's use the last zoom level. Alright, this is how the strategy works. Starting from the edge of the 15-minute time frame. Just like I told you, I've been working on the strategy for the past how many days now. This is how the strategy works. Whenever you notice this your two indicator, the one meet at this 90 level, and next thing you are waiting for is for these moving averages to cross each other from above for your selling entry. And for instance, if this is where your selling entry is after this crossing over, okay, and you should be setting your stop loss above this high. Alright, just for retracement. And what happens next? The market crash, and you should be thinking of exiting this trade at this point. Immediately you notice this market with this 10 level, because there is a probability that the market is likely to reverse. But let's say you take profit at this point. You can see this is more or less like 1.2 ratio. You take your selling entry at this point. This is where your stop loss is, and this is where your take profit is. Did you understand, fam? Now at the same time, when you are done with this, another money is currently waiting for you. Let me delete this to indicator. Okay, another money is waiting for you in a way that this is where your first condition made. This is the second condition. The third condition is for you to be waiting for this moving average to cross each other from this chart as well. Okay, let's say you took your buying entry at this point after this crossing over. You took your buying entry below this low, and what happened is the market go south. You should be thinking to exit this trade at this point immediately when it touch this 90 level. But let's check what happened next. Okay, the market still retrace back to your entry, back to its stop loss, but do not panic. Let's see what happens next. But at the same time, the market still goes your way, and let's see where we are supposed to exit this trade. Okay, we are supposed to exit this trade at this point. Okay, this is where we are supposed to exit this trade, because this one it is 90 level and this one it is 90 level. Okay, so when you look at this, this is more or less like I can't even find the reward ratio, but I know the strategy is very profitable. And at the same time, when you are done with this, another money is waiting for you as well, which is at this point here, because your two conditions to sell this trade just missed. So you are waiting for a crossing over on your main chart. This is another crossing over. Okay, so what are you supposed to do? You have to set your stop loss above this high again. So you have to set a stop loss above this high again. Take another selling entry at this point. But when you will take the selling entry at this point above this high, and what am I expecting? Expecting for the market to go below. So I'm supposed to exit this trade here, because this my market just hit this 10 level. Alright. So let's say you took your take profit at this point, because another condition is about to make. This is another crossing over, which means the market is likely to reverse back. Okay, but at the same time the market still goes your way, and imagine that. So let's say this is your TP1 and this is supposed to be your TP2. This place is supposed to be your TP2. Can you imagine how powerful the strategy is? Alright, I think that will be enough on how the strategy works. Just have to focus on these two windows. It's like this is another entry here. You see, you cannot set your stop loss above this high. This is your selling entry, and what happens is the market crash. Alright, this works presently on the volatility 75 on your 5 minutes time frame. I took my time to work on the strategy for the past many days, because people just kept on disturbing me on volatility 75 strategy for the past month now. Alright, this is the volatility 75 strategy. Enjoy the strategy. If you find this content useful, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please leave a thumbs up for this video. Alright, let's check on the setup of the strategy. Alright, on this main chart I have the first moving average here. The period is 100, the shift is 0, method is linear weight. And to close, the star is 2 pixels, the color is black, and it has no levels. Then when you're done with this, you click on done. And the second moving average I'm having on my main chart, which is this place, it is the period 48, the shift is 0, the method is linear weight, and the applied to previous indicator data, and the star is 2 pixel as well, and the color is red. Okay, then we are done, you click on done. This is the 2 moving average I'm having on my main chart. Alright, let's move to this window indicator one. On the window indicator one, I'm having the stochastic was the leader first. The K period is 1, the T period is 1, slow is 1, price period is close/close. Method is simple. Main star is 2 pixel and the signal is 4 pixel. The levels are 10, 90 and 50. Sometimes when you are trying to add this level, just tap on this delete button and tap on it again, the levels is going to add. That is how it works. Then we are done with this, so we just click on done. Alright, the next thing you want to add on this indicator window one, it is your moving average. The parameters period is 1, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and the pixel is 2 pixel and the color is gold. You click on done. On the second moving average, which is this place, I'm having the period, so shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. The star is 2 pixel, the color is gold as well. You click on done. And the third moving average on the indicator window one, which is this one, is the period 3, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Star is 2 pixel, the color is gold as well. You click on done. And I'm also having the fourth moving average, which is this one. The fourth moving average is period is 4, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Star is 2 pixel and the color is purple. And you click on done. And the last moving average, which is this one, the period is 5, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Star is 2 pixel, the color is purple as well. And you click on done. So we are through with this indicator window 1. So the next indicator is this indicator window 3. Alright, so guys, do not get yourself confused, because if I should start deleting all this indicator, I myself would get confused, because it took me days to get all these parameters. Okay, but you just have to follow my instructions. If you're adding this indicator, for instance, you want to add this moving average to this indicator window 1, you have to click on this plus sign here, not this plus sign here. Did you understand? Because this one is for the main chart and this for the indicator window 1. Alright, the indicator I'm having on my last range, which is this indicator window 2. Before you can add this indicator window 2, which is this relative strength index, you have to click on the plus sign on this main chart first and go select the relative strength index, which is this one, and the period is 1, apply to close. Star is 3 pixel and the levels are 90, 50, 10. Then you go back and click on done, but I already have the relative strength index on my chart, so I'm not supposed to click on done. Did you understand? This is the relative strength index already on my chart. Alright, so in order for you to add this MACD, you have to click on this plus sign to add the MACD. Then you scroll down and select MACD. Alright, so let's check on the MACD parameters on our window indicator 2. I have the fast SMA 10, slow SMA 200, MACD SMA is 12, apply to close. The main is 3 pixel, signal is 3 pixel. The first color of the main, the color of the main is red, and the color of the signal is green, and it has no levels. When you're done with this, you just click on done like this. And if you have done all I have said so far, your chart should look like this. Did you understand? Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this content useful, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first person to get notified whenever I drop a new strategy. Okay guys, I would like to see your reviews on this strategy, and if you want more of this strategy, please drop your comment down below so I can work on the strategy for you guys. You may enjoy the rest of the day with your friends and family. Until next time, I wish you good luck and good trading strategy. Thank you.